Hi everybody, my favorite season of the year is fall. I just love the changing of the leaves and the colors and just kind of the cool crisp air. And so I have created a couple of DIY projects that you can do with your family if you want to, that creates this amazing keepsake. The DIY project includes fall leaves. There is this leaf print, but first I'm going to show you how to make this adorable leaf mason jar candle holder. This is a great family project. I had my daughter pick the leaves. We start with Mod Podge and a mason jar. Paint Mod Podge on the jar and place a leaf on it. You might have to let the Mod Podge dry a little bit for it to stick fully. Then use Mod Podge over it to help it stick and then cover it fully. Now add your second leaf. For this one I used a different colored leaf. Let it dry in between each leaf you add. Keep adding and layering more leaves and repeat the process. I chose green, red, and yellow. Once it's all covered, add a big layer of Mod Podge. It will dry clear. Then use Mod Podge around the rim and add a ribbon or twine. Once dried, put a candle inside and light it up. It creates a colorful glow. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a layered leaf print. Start with a frame of your choice. I cut out paper to put in it. It's a good idea to practice first a little bit. I chose different types of acrylic paints, all in fall leaf colors. Take thin paint brushes and paint different colors on the leaf. I started with yellow around the rim and then put red paint in the middle. I finished it off with green for the stem. Now flip it over on the paper, cover it with a paper towel, and use a rolling pin to roll over it. This is the first layer of your print. Now you will add extra layers, and this is where you get creative. I added more yellow around the edges of the same leaf and then some different colors inside. Put the same leaf on the old pattern, match it up. Here is your second layer. Continue layering until you get the effect you like. Use adhesive to attach the paper on the frame, and you have fall art. And of course, if you can't find any leaves that you like, you can go to the craft store. They have a lot of fake leaves that work just as well.